Hello, and welcome to my channel about foods that can protect against heart diseases. In today's fast-paced world, heart diseases have become a major concern for people all over the world. The prevalence of heart diseases is on the rise, and it has become a leading cause of death in many countries. However, you don't have to worry, as there are some foods that can protect your heart and reduce your risk of developing heart diseases. Foods that are rich in antioxidants, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can help to protect your heart. These foods help to remove harmful toxins from the body and reduce the risk of developing heart diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids are also essential for heart health. They can help to reduce inflammation in the body and lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes. So in this channel, we will be discussing some healthy foods that can protect your heart. We will be focusing on foods such as avocado, turkey, nuts, and salmon. These foods are not only healthy, but also delicious. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can reduce your risk of developing heart diseases and live a healthy life. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.